Alright, this is the elevator here at the DC Dream Center, here in Washington, DC. Got a Schindler 3300 to ride. This video is going to be a little bit different because I do have some special guests that'll be riding with me after. It's a quick door. Yep. Got some special guests right behind me. This door does close quick. These guys here are from my youth group. Say hi to him. Hi! Alright, we're going to go down to C. Don't mind if we can go up to the roof. Thank you. Roof is locked off, so we're gonna go up to the roof. Thanks to this gentleman. What's your name?
Ernest.
Ernest. He's the
Executive Director.
Executive Director of the Dream Center, and thanks to him, we're gonna go up to the roof. Here we go. All right, here at the roof. Yes, we were just out there and we got a good view. All right, thank you, Ernest.
All right, you're welcome, folks.
See you.
See ya.
We'll go back down to C. See the buttons. Indicators there. FIGL 100 fixtures. This is an older 3300. Can't really see the plate, but it says it's 3,500 pounds. So this is a 3,500 pound capacity. Down there's the certificate. Let me see if I can get a good view of it. There you go. Now you can guys get a good view. And we're back down to sea level. It says it's B, but typically this is B. Technically this is the basement, but the indicator says C, which is kind of weird. We're gonna go up to 1 now. Here we are. So what did you guys think? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get my cab view here. This is actually a nice cab, but the padding is covered due to prevent some scratches on this elevator. So you can see the color is blue, nice blue color, but they just padded it up so they can prevent vandalism. Okay, there it goes. And that'll be it.